Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Niflheim Amulet full guide. Start by opening your map and marking the Niflheim portal, then equip cold resistance gear and a reliable light source. Focus on stealth options and ranged attacks to minimize close combat risks. Prioritize resources like health potions and stamina food, and assign roles if playing co-op. Stay calm, observe patrol patterns, and strike when enemies are isolated for the best chance. I will show the exact path and tactics you need to reach the Niflheim Amulet area safely and efficiently. Move along the Northern River path, slip into the hidden trails when patrols appear, and use ranged pickoffs to thin enemies before entering dense zones. Conserve potions and check equipment durability at each checkpoint. If you die, reload the last safe save and adjust your approach to avoid repeating mistakes. In this video, I will review how to get Niflheim Amulet full guide. Quick recommendation: life gets hectic after long gaming sessions, so a fresh-smelling car helps reset your mood. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a pleasant change. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I will help you with combat techniques and looting strategies tailored to Niflheim encounters, so you maximize survival and gear gains. Favor ranged engagements and stealth openings to reduce drawn-out fights, and lure enemies into traps or hazards when possible. Manage inventory to keep healing items accessible and avoid overburdening your character. After each fight, inspect corpses for key drops and upgrade components that directly boost cold resistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.